Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
That looks good. I think we like that. I don't know how the audio sounds. We're gonna listen to it back right now, play it back and see what it sounds like. So here we go. Thank you for checking out the video. I know it's pretty random, just doing a little testing on the microphone, doing the setup. Next thing is the light. Right now we're charging the light battery, which is a big ass LED light, and it's pretty bright, so hopefully we get better lighting in here and start doing more videos. I'm gonna work on editing. I'm learning all this stuff as we go, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. Thank you for following. Thank you for checking out the video. Any comments or any suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section. Like and subscribe. I did plan on putting out a lot more stuff when it comes to the audio, the video. I'm learning all that stuff, so I'll give all that information as we go. And also screen printing. This is one of our businesses that we have. Me specifically, I own a business in screen printing. We do everything from local businesses to schools to just anything in general, custom designs for people, anything that people want is custom. Okay, one last thing I wanted to go ahead and throw out there was the information on everything I'm using for this video, from the camera to the lighting to actually the lighting I'm not using yet, it's charging, but I'll give you the information on the lighting and then also the microphone. So the camera I'm using is going to be a Nikon, I believe it's called, Nikon D5300, and also the lighting, which is a big square LED light, and the lighting is going to be a LED light ROHS. I'm not familiar to how to pronounce that. On the back behind the battery I have the information, which is going to be a ESDDI. The model number is going to be a PLV-380, and the wattage on the light is going to be a 15 watt. Application of the battery is going to be a Sony, so it's going to be a Sony battery that's inside of it. And the microphone is a Moukey, M-O-U-K-E-Y, and then an MCM-1. It says it right on the side of the microphone. And then I got a tripod stand, which I bought off of OfferUp. You know, I just try to keep it keep our budget within the range that we need to be in. So we went and bought that stuff. It's gonna be I think it's called Targus, T-A-R-G-U-S, and that's a Targus stand, tripod stand. There you go, guys. I gave you that information. Want to make sure that if you guys decide to do this the same as I am, that's the stuff I have. I'll try to find some links and put them down in the description for some of the stuff that I just called out, which is the Amazon is where I bought the lighting, LED light, and then the microphone is where I bought on Amazon too. The camera I bought at a store, and tripod I bought on OfferUp, but it didn't cost much, so I went ahead and everything put together. It looks pretty good, nice setup. Hopefully that lighting helps us later on. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Hey, turn that light on.